What's going on, guys? This is Lior and welcome back to my channel. Now, in this video, I'm excited to give you guys a walkthrough of a new project I'm doing. I am here in the Dorchester neighborhood of Boston. We've got a new apartment project right behind me that we're doing. This is a full gut rehab. We are literally tearing the building completely from the inside out. As you can kind of see, we already have new windows in. The only thing we're really keeping on the exterior is the siding because it's actually in pretty good shape. But I'm gonna give you guys an interior walkthrough right now. You'll see we literally started from scratch, new subfloors, new framing, all new plumbing, electric, HVAC, everything. So let's go check it out right now. All right, so welcome to the inside of this project. I'm gonna give you guys a walkthrough of one of the units. They're all identical. So as you can see, we're right at the rough stage right now, finishing up our rough mechanicals. So I'll give you guys a quick feel of what the layouts will be. So you walk in, as I step on this, of course. You walk in, you have an open concept living kitchen. So our kitchen's gonna be right here. Nice, basically U-shaped kitchen. Will be a nice little peninsula hanging right over here, right into your living space. And then we have the classic bay, triple decker bay area with living space. So it's gonna be a nice functional open concept, kitchen to living space kind of transition. So that's really nice. Now, right over here as well, we're gonna have a laundry set for each unit, which is nice. This is actually gonna be an office space for each unit. So this is not a bedroom, even though we did frame in a closet. But that's just extra storage for the tenants. But since a lot of people are working from home, we of course wanna be super cognizant of that. So we created this little office space. So now I'll show you guys into the rest of the apartment. Again, as we're walking through, you can kind of see all the rough work that's being done. So this is all our HVAC. We've got our sprinkler contractors in here because we're gutting a 3-family. We have to do a new sprinkler system and a fire alarm system. Obviously a rough electrical. So in here we get our first bathroom, which will be a tub with a vanity. And then we get into our bedroom space. So our bedroom space, we got one good sized bedroom over here, framed in closet. Then we'll go to the master actually first. So the master is right over here. Again, good sized master, large closet space right over here for it. And then it has an ensuite. So this ensuite, nice stand-up shower, vanity, toilet, good, nice space for whoever's gonna live in this master suite. And then the third bedroom is right over here. So pretty good size. And it will actually have a swinging door out to the private decks, which is a nice little touch. So that's the floor plate of each of the apartments. Again, they're gonna be 3-bed, 2 baths with an extra office space. Again, these are gonna be apartments. We're hoping to have them ready for end of 2024, early 2025. As you can hear, I have guys literally working on site here, but we are trying to finish all of our rough mechanicals, as I said. That way we can get inspected, insulate, and then go walls up. We'll use our typical finishes here. So if you see in my other projects, in kitchens, in apartment projects, we typically use stuff like white shaker, quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, black fixtures, right? In terms of other finish details, we're gonna have recessed lighting everywhere, forced heating, and then also forced air conditioning, which is nice. Obviously, like I said, all new mechanicals, so we're gonna own this over the long term. Should have way less maintenance issues since literally everything is brand new. In terms of financial structure, I use my typical financial structure on this kind of project. On the debt side, we have hard money debt that is financing the acquisition and the full construction of this project. Budget is about 5.25 or so. So far we've actually been pretty tight on budget. So I expect it to land somewhere around there. On the equity side, like a lot of our projects, we have partners on this project that came in. We structured what we call a preferred return with those investors, where they get a certain rate of return on their invested capital. That allowed them to make money, of course, allowed us to get into the project. It's an awesome win-win. again, that we structure on almost all of our projects today. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this walkthrough. You got a quick overview too of the financial structure. I'll do more videos on this project as we progress, probably once we have walls up and we're starting to do finish work. You guys will be able to come back here. Make sure you stay tuned. Thanks for checking it out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.